the only place where you're not the craziest person.
I know, thank you. More drinking.
We're lost. We are lost. And we're gonna be crossing the train tracks here.
Mississippi River.
Mississippi River, but we're trying to find the water river walk. Oh God, here we go.
I got this damn for y'all power songs, boy. I gotta work it back 3 times.
That's a good one. 4. I got 4 controls up. Wait.
So, that drive was... There you are.
Huh?
There you are.
Nicole found it.
Mary and Hans. Hey.
Our first morning of not being hungover.
Hi. I know I'm supposed to be looking at the road driving, but hi.
Oh my
It's
God.
autopilot. We are there.
The car knows what it's doing.
The car knows what it's The people behind us don't usually do.
Did you say where we're going?
We're going to Baton Rouge
For
the national tournament.
I'm thinking about dropping out.
Yeah. So we're not doing it.
And then after we voted.
How many bowlers are here competing in their very first Open Championships?
Yeah, congratulations.
beavers.
Huh?
Look at the beavers. Look, all the beavers you can buy.
She's looking at beavers. We're in the
I'm sure they
Buc-ee's.
have it over here at the drink.
I already got my brisket and some, what's this called? Cashews.
Section.
Huh?
Son of a bitch, the healthy section.
No, I
The
have.
healthy section.
Yeah, look at all this good stuff.
We're at Buc-ee's. The beef turkey.
I just got to Texas. I heard about Buc-ee's and I went buck crazy. Buck wild. Buc-ee's. I got the Buc-ee's famous barbecue
sandwich?
brisket sandwich.
Nice.
I got the double XL though. I didn't fake around, y'all. You
What
gonna
about your big ass drink?
Hey, I got Buc-ee's big ass water. Buc-ee's big ass grape drink. I just went crazy in here. I don't even know what to do. Buc-ee's big ass sour bars.
What? What did you get?
Buc-ee's
He's lost it.
chocolate
Okay,
pralines with something in the middle. And I'm gonna pay the big bucks for it. And
You can get beaver bucks.
You get beaver bucks.
beaver bucks, baby. Let's go.
That's a wrap.
See y'all later, baby. Oh man, I got this fudge chocolate praline stuff. It was fucking $8.99.
$8.99.
Yeah, man, I mean,
You got buck.
I got bucks. I forgot the line. I forgot my line.